ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾವಿವತ್ತು ಅಕ್ಷರಾಭ್ಯಾಸ 8 ಇದನ್ನು ಓದೋಣ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 8. ಅಕ್ಷರಾಭ್ಯಾಸ 8. ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಅಕ್ಷರಾಭ್ಯಾಸ 8. The letters in this chapter are dha, tha, dha, bha. You have to be more attentive how the sounds are. Dha. You should read it as dha, not the. Okay? Similarly, all the letters. Dha, tha, dha, bha. These are Mahaprana letters. ಚಿತ್ರ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಪದ ಹೇಳಿಸಿ. Show the picture and tell the words. Dha, dhana. Dhana means wealth in terms of money. Here be attentive, it is a Mahaprana dha. If you write like this, dhana, this means cow. Dhana is wealth. So see the difference between this the and this dha. Be attentive there. Ratha. Ratha. Tha. Ratha means the chariot. Dha. Dhana. Dhana. It is the bell sound. Bha. Bhata. Bhata means soldier or sepoy. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಗುಂಡಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯಿಸಿ. Yeah, the letter is given. You have to copy the same letter with a good handwriting. Dha, tha, dha, bha. ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ. ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಉಚ್ಚರಿಸಲು ಹೇಳಿ. You have to pronounce the words properly. ಧನ, ಔಡಲ, ಥಳ ಥಳ, ಪಥ, ಕಥನ, ಢರ ಢರ, ಭಯ, ಭಾರತ. ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿರುವ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಪದ ಹೇಳಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬರೆಯಿಸಿ. Here we have to fill in the blank with the letters. See here, dhana, ratha, dhana, dhana, bhaya. This is dha. Okay? See, this is dha. How to write dha? Don't forget to give this circle here, a small closed loop. Okay? ನೀಡಿರುವ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯಲು ಹೇಳಿ. ಧವಳ. Here the given words, you have to copy the same words here down. ಧವಳ, ಧನ, ಧಗ ಧಗ, ಮಥನ, ಥಳ ಥಳ. ಶಪಥ, ಭವ, ಭಜನ, ಭವನ, ಢಣ ಢಣ. ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಚಿತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಡಿರುವ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿ ಮಾದರಿಯಂತೆ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ರಚಿಸಲು ತಿಳಿಸಿ. Here one example is given. You have to use the letters from this box or circles and you have to form the words. For example, Ratha. See, next word is Sara. Can you identify where is Sa and Ra? here. Sara means necklace. Mana vana vana dhana kara nava rasa ara mara. This is mara. Okay, see, mara nara. Hope you loved the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe it and share it. Thank you.